Today we learn how to add country code with country and phone number field in contact form 7. First, I am going to plugin and add new plugin. Now search here country and phone. You can see here is a plugin that's name country and phone field contact form 7. Install the plugin. Installation complete. Now active the plugin. Now I am going to contact form and here is the contact form. Click on edit and the present view is here. There is no phone field and country field. So I want to add phone and country field with country code. So I want to add phone number. Here is the phone number. Click on this and it is required and type here anything what you want. And check mark this text, show the content placeholder and insert the tag. And I want to add a label. Name phone and close the label and to add country code also. Here is the country drop down. Click on this and required field. Now insert the tag. Also the label add here. Country. Okay. Now the label. Closing tab. Now just click on save and go to your contact form and refresh your browser. You can see here is the phone field with country code and here is the country that you want to select. Don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.